Hello everyone, welcome to ProTechnoid. So in this video I will show you how to create zip files on Windows 10. So this solution will also apply for Windows 11. So creating a zip file on Windows 10 or 11 operating system is a straightforward task because it has an built-in compression tool. So in this video we'll explore three methods in particular. The first method is using the built-in compression tool on Windows 10 and 11. Second method is drag and drop method. And third method is using third-party tools. So first let's see the first method. So by default Windows 10 or 11 has a compression tool. If you right click on a folder or a file and hover on the send option here and you will see this compressed zip folder. So when I click on it, a new zip folder has been created. Okay, when I double click and open on it, you can see the folder which I zipped is here. Okay, you can also extract it like from here, or else you can right click on it and click on extract all. So let me change the folder name, extracted file, and I'm extracting it. This is the folder I created, and inside that the zipped files are there. So this is the default compression tool in Windows 10 or 11. So now moving to the drag and drop method. So drag and drop method is very simple. All we need is an existing zip file. So we already have a zip file named new zip, and if I double click and open it, so inside it there is a folder named work and it has some files. So let me close this. So there is a folder named work is inside the new zip file. So let's say I want to add this November 2024 keyword research. So I will drag and drop inside this new zip. So now if I click and open it, so inside that zip file there are two folders. So this is how the drag and drop feature works. So moving to the final method, so that is using third-party tools. So I have mentioned three tools here: WinRAR, WinZip, and 7-Zip, because these are the three tools which I rely on, and most people will be using WinRAR or 7-Zip. So 7-Zip is a free software. So WinRAR has free and premium version. So same for WinZip, it also has a free and premium version. So this is where you can download 7-zip for Windows 64-bit. So and this is for 32-bit. So I have already downloaded the 7-zip exe file. So let me install it. So installation is done. Now let's try compressing the November 2024 keyword research folder. So as you can see here, when I right click on that folder, so there is a 7-zip option. There are several options like add to archive, compress and email, and there are a lot of other options are there. So let us use the add to archive feature here. So mostly we don't want to change anything here. Just click OK, and that folder, a new folder will be created. So as you can see here, there is a file named November 2024 keyword research.7z has been created. So now if I want to extract the files of that folder, I need to right click on it and hover on 7-zip again and click on extract here or extract files. So make sure you choose the extract to path correctly. So I have given desktop. So I'm going to click OK now. So as you can see here, the folder has been extracted and you can see all the files inside the folder. So friends, this is how the 7-zip compression feature works. So try out the WinRAR and WinZip, and if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye. Thank you guys.